ounce of my body says this is something that I should not be doing. Mm-hmm. Oh, fuck. Oh, butt fuck.
You're gonna vomit. Probably.
Ava. 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 Maintain. Serenity now. Ow! Hey, make it stop! Make it stop! Okay. Oh, fuck. It's just spreading around.
Shit, make me cry.
Focus the pain.
I need a towel.
A towel.
Give me a towel. Paper towel, something like that.
A towel.
But then you aim. That's hot.
Spit on the floor.
It's hot. Everything's hot. The air is hot.
Everything hot.
What?
Like the cream cheese.
No.
You want some ice cream?
Oh god. Oh god.
Dude, you're probably gonna have a headache for like 2 hours. Just telling you what you have to look forward to. Oh, for what, Cole? What did you get?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, don't do that.
And it's funny because Cole like just eats like jalapenos like nothing. Dude, I think I'd probably go into a coma if I did one of those.
I think the worst is over.
So how was your experience?
I just wouldn't recommend it.